I'm Josh from Kitchen Time with Dad, and these are my 6 kids.
Hannah, Sarah, Katira, Josiah, Leah,
And Mariah. I started our channel because another dad challenged me to be intentional about building memories with my kids while they're young. And since I hear this question all the time,
what's for dinner?
I decided, why not build a channel around preparing food and enjoy eating it as a family? Our family has gone through a number of health issues, and that required a lot of dietary changes. We've learned how to prepare food, we've learned how to enjoy food, and we want to share that message with other families who are going through some of those same changes. Our channel exists so that we can build memories together as a family. We also want to be able to help other families as they navigate through these dietary changes they go through. It's possible to learn to enjoy the food prep again and enjoy eating the food together. Someday, all of our kids can grow up and leave home with great memories. Not just great memories, but with good kitchen skills. That way, they can pass on this legacy to their kids.
Healthy food for happy families.